Go, don't drop it. If you drop it, you are out. Who will be? As you come back up, if your ball drop, don't cheat, you are out. Keep going back and you will go. Keep going up, you cannot drop the ball. you anything you want tonight. I love you, feel alright. Slide me through your I want you anything I want tonight. Baby, you know what you Jamal will make his entrance, will do his entrance. All the kids at the moon bounce will take a pause. We gotta give them a big round. Make some noise for our birthday boy! Happy birthday, Jamal! Doesn't even comply, that's the birthday boy. We love you, Jamal. Happy birthday to you. Come on, Jamal, you gotta dance. Let's go. Come on, Jamal. 1, 2, 3, let's go, Jamal. Dancing, dancing, dancing. This is how you celebrate your 5th birthday party. Let's show some love, show some love, show some love. Happy birthday, Jamal, we love you. Make some noise for the birthday boy. Say you better than them. Make some noise, make some noise. I like this birthday guy. I like the way he's moving. He's so wild, he's so cool. Happy birthday, baby. Oh, yeah. Who's your guy, Jamal? Who's your guy? Nice one, nice one, nice one. Who's your guy? This is how you do it. This is how you celebrate your birthday party.
And you came for life. See, that's the
Let's celebrate, let's do it up. Birthday party for Jamal has officially started. You guys can take your seat. You can take your seat. Please have your seat. You could have been anywhere else, but you choose to celebrate our Prince Jamal. So we're getting started into the official event. Now, this event will now be taking place. We have to honor God today. And the individual that will be doing the opening prayer is, please, as I call this individual, give her a round of applause. Miss Amina, please, round of applause as she does the opening prayer. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We thank Almighty Allah for today. We thank God for the life of our son, Jamal. May Allah give our long life and prosperity. May today be the beginning of new things in his life. May today bring him joy, happiness, and everything the parents want on him, inshallah. Man, this city, may Allah bless this city for us. May we start with Bismillah and we end it with Alhamdulillah. We will not witness any trouble, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين التحيات لله الزاكيات لله الطيبات الصلوات لله السلام عليك أيها النبي ورحمة الله وبركاته السلام علينا وعلى اللهم صل على محمد وعلى ال محمد كما صليت على ابراهيم وعلى ال ابراهيم انك حميد مجيد صلوا على النبي الكريم صلى الله عليه وسلم.
Thank you so much. So the official birthday party has officially started after prayers. Are you guys ready? Are the kids ready to have a good time today? Yeah. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Say happy birthday, Jamal. Happy birthday, Jamal. All right, can I have all the children on my floor? Come on, come on. Let's start our first activity. Come join me. I told you the winner gets a $100 cash prize, right? So all the kids, parents, if your kids are not here, come let them join me. We're planning our first activity as dinner is getting prepared, all right? We'll be coming up with the next thing in the menu soon, but it's... Once again, all the kids in the house, this is a all-age activity. Are you guys ready to play the first game? Now the DJ has me on this game. This is called Freeze Game Jamal Style 2023. You guys, let me explain the game. The first thing is you gotta dance. If you're not dance, you are out. The second thing is when the music stops, what do you do? Freeze. When the music stops, what do you do? Freeze. Good, so you guys know this game already. The best person that can freeze gets a gift that's in my hand. Are you guys ready? Let's look at the cameraman. Let's face this way. Let the people see you. Let the people see you. Let your mommy and daddy see you and grandma. Are you guys ready for the freeze game? Are we ready for the freeze game? Okay, DJ got my back. When the music stops, you freeze.
I just wanna roll it, roll it, roll it.
We're ready for Jamal. Here's the freeze game 2023.
I just want my soul, so I just go. I dance, I be looking at it, put you in the tree. I just wanna roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. That way, I already got something on me to hold on my face. I just want some ice on my wrist, so I just better when I dance. I be looking at it, put you in the tree.
Let's go. Freeze. If you move, you are out. The audience is here to help me out as well. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Okay? Mr. Young man back here. Mr. Young guy back here, I'm coming to get you. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. He's He's still clapping his hands. Come, you are out. I'm not sure whose child is this, but you are out. Don't worry, we're all winners. But if you move, you are out, okay? Don't worry, we have gifts for everybody before the end of the night. All right, DJ, let's go. They're doing well. Nice one. The song almost made you guys freeze, but that was part of our thing. Okay. Auntie, are you in the game? Okay. Let's go, DJ. Let's go, my man.
I really don't take time, it's just blind. Keep staring at it and you might go blind. I be moving clean, I don't even try. All I see is bands, I spy. Yeah, that way. I need that love by Tuesday. Yeah, that way. I don't keep for like Foxway. I just now got started. Got views on popping. My diamonds go retarded. Your girl dead.
This is the last round. This is the last round of the Jamal Game 2023. Now, Jamal, look at your audience. Look at your guests. Jamal, turn this way. Look at all your guests that's frozen. Now, Jamal, I'm gonna give you this. Mic check, mic check. Yeah. Mic check, thank you. I'm gonna give you this, Jamal. And you have to choose, no, you don't keep this. You have to choose the winner of the freeze game. So you're gonna be the one that chooses, so they won't beat me, and they can't beat you, because you're the birthday boy. So, Jamal, look well, oh. Who do you think should be the winner of the freeze game 2023? Who are you picking? Oh, you're picking her? Okay, give her the gift card. Round of applause. Okay, you can't give her the gift card. Round of applause for them, guys. That's so that you guys are all winner, but Jamal chose her to be the final winner. Round of applause again, guys, for the kids. Good job, good job, good job, good job. All right, don't worry, we have this for everybody in the house. All right, do you guys still want to continue the moon bounce? Oh, you want to continue the moon bounce for 10 more minutes? Okay, go to the moon bounce, coloring book, and then we'll come back in the next 10 minutes for the next game, okay? Enjoy yourself, go to the moon bounce, play the coloring, and then we'll come back in 10 minutes, okay? All right, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. We have the coloring section over here as well, guys. Okay? Moon bounce time, then we'll come back in 15 minutes. Take over, DJ. Area. It is open for all of you guys to help yourself until the main menu is ready. So every time you see this beautiful display by Boogie, you guys can enjoy the small talks. Parents, you can help yourself to something to drink and something appetizer. Don't crowd the place. Make sure you get something and move back so other people can get it. Okay? Be careful. Let's
with, but you expect me to do. I see 300X and got the black out real. I mean, I'm like your style, I'm on a whole other level. If you compare me and you, there wouldn't be no comparison.
Keep going, don't stop. We're gonna be the best dancer. To come back here is out, right? So you have to be fast. The last person to come back here is out. Are you ready for the first thing I'm going to ask for? Please, the most important thing about this game, please be safe, okay? Be safe. Everybody behind me, ages 7 to 12. If you're not 7 to 12, you cannot play this game. We have other games that we're going to play. Are you ready? Ages 7 to 12 behind me. If you're not, please have a seat. Are you ready? The last person to run back here is out. The first thing I need, make sure you don't fall, make sure you don't hurt yourself. Yes, it's a very competitive game and it requires speed. The first thing I need you to get from the audience, bring me somebody's car keys. Move back. Be careful. Okay. Who's the last person? Okay, there's 2 people still looking. Hold on, come behind me. We have 2 people still looking. The last person to come up here is out. Who's the last one? Okay. Oh, baby girl, you're out. You're the last one to come in, okay? Sorry, round of applause for them. Everyone is a winner, right? Okay? Now, please, return the car keys, I beg. Return the car keys. Sorry, we're all winners. Please, don't cry. You have a gift before we leave. We have to make it fair. It's nothing personal. It's a game. If they cry, it's okay. We're used to this. This is a game. Nothing personal. Alright, the next thing is this everybody behind me. Everyone behind me that's still on.
Sweetie, can you move out the way? I don't want to get hurt. Can you move out the way? Yeah!
Okay, everybody behind me. I want everyone behind me. Please clear this area because they're going to be running up up and down. The next thing I need from the crowd, bring me somebody's purse. Okay? Behind me. Oh, you're out. You are the last. Okay, somebody's still looking? Stop behind me. You're out. You are the last person. Okay, I'm sorry. Good job. Return the purse. Don't worry, we're all winners tonight. There's no losers on my team. Behind me. Everybody behind me. Please, I need to watch everybody. I don't know who's coming last behind me because I can't see behind me, but I'm focusing on this way. Okay? Now, the next thing, can you guys move back, please? The next thing I need from the audience, find me somebody's which arm. So hold on, I didn't land yet. Where are you going? Did I say what I need first? Wait. The next thing I need is a watch. Find me a watch. Watch. Who's the last person? You are the last person. Oh, you are out. Return the watches. You are out, baby girl. You are the last one. I know. It requires speed. You have to hold it and speak. Who's still in the game? Let me see who the winner gets a prize. Who's still in the game? Everyone that's still in the game behind me. The next thing I need. Okay. The next thing I need from the crowd, bring me sunglasses. Sunglasses. I didn't say glasses. Sunglasses. Not reading glasses. Sunglasses. Who's the last person? Oh, you are the last person. You're disqualified. You're the last person. She's not in. She was disqualified the last round. Oh, good job. Okay, return the sunglasses. Okay. Who's still in the game? We have a winner. We have a gift for the winner. Next thing, you guys are doing well. The numbers are going down because some people couldn't get the items in time. The next thing I need from the audience, bring me somebody's shoe. One pair of shoe. Okay, who's the last person? Oh, you don't have a shoe. You can't do that. It has to be one. They're trying to do tag team. You can't do that. So you let your brother go. Okay. Please, this is a one individual game. There's no teams in this game. Okay, return somebody's shoes. I beg. Return the shoe. Make them not go outside with one shoe on. The MC said take shoe. Okay, we're still going. It's gonna get a little challenging soon. Is everybody still in? We're still here. Who's gonna be the winner? I'm not sure yet. Now, excuse me. Over. The next thing I need from the crowd, bring me a lip gloss. If you don't find lip gloss, you're out. The last person to bring me the lip gloss is out. Okay, behind me. Oh, you're the last one. I got you. Okay. Are you still in the game? Oh, you didn't have a lip gloss. Okay, you're out then. You are the last one, darling. You were the last one. Sorry, baby. Return the lip gloss, I'll beg. It's expensive these days for lip gloss. Okay. Who's still in the game? Come back. Good job. You guys are doing well. You're doing well. Okay, you stop. Be careful, guys. Be careful. I'm looking at everybody very well. Okay, I got a complicated one a little bit. Bring me somebody's hat. If you don't have a hat, you are out. That's a daily. I don't know if you can catch daily for us. I need a cap. Not daily. Cap. If you don't have a cap, you are out. No, cap. Not daily. Not next time. Cap. If you don't have a cap, you is out. Baby girl, where's your cup? That's a scarf. This is what a cup is. No, this is what a cup is for those who don't know what a cup is. I'm sorry, baby, you're out. You're the son of Prince sister, so you get gifts all day. You don't count. Alright, where are my winners so far? Okay, there's only 3 remaining. You never have a cup. Okay, return the cup. We have 3 remaining. Who's gonna be the winner? Please, if you're not in the game, please help me back up a little bit. Okay, where are my 3 people? Where are the 3 people that have the cash? Where's the third one? The next thing I need in the crowd. I'm looking. Give me AirPod. Find someone with an AirPod. Okay, you're in. She might be the one out. You're in. Oh, baby girl, you're the last one. You're the last one. You're out, baby. Return the AirPods. Now, this is the final round. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to introduce you guys to the final 2. I got the final one. Where's the other girl? Where's the other girl? I have my final 2. Usually when I do my games, I have the final 2 introduce themselves. DJ, can you lower a little bit for me, please? Usually on the last rounds of my games, I have the 2 stand and introduce themselves, and I'll ask a question. The question will be, do you think you're going to be the winner of Jamal Scavenger Hunt 2023? Are you ready? I'm going to go with her first. What is your name, and do you think you're going to be the winner of this round? She said, I believe her name is Adosa. Am I right? Adosa, she says she thinks she's going to be the winner. Thank you. There can only be one winner, one gift card. Please, baby girl, what is your name? And you think you're going to be the winner? My name is Joshua, and I think I'm going to be the winner. Let me get my camera for the last round. This is going to be very challenging. Give me a second. 5 seconds. I'm looking for it. So, there I get it. I got it. Now I got the gift in my hand. This is the last one for tonight. After this, we do want to transition to singing happy birthday to our birthday boy Jamal. Hopefully Jamal's ready. We're going to start singing our happy birthday. Now, the last thing I need from the audience, hopefully you can get it. I've had this done before, so I know it's possible. Are you ready? I need you to bring me somebody's wig. Give me a wig. Bring me a wig. Right? Thank you. That's a good mom. Alright, this is picture time. Please, if you want to come up and take pictures with Jamal and the family, this is the time. Our pictures are going internationally. We're taking these pictures to Iraq, Dubai, Nigeria, London, Japan, Thailand. Our pictures are going internationally. Please, this is the time for pictures. Come and take pictures with the celebrant and the family. Thank you. Where's my spoon? I gave it to somebody. Are you ready? When I say go, you go. First person to come back, hands behind your back, right? Hands behind your back. Make sure the ball doesn't drop when I say go when you're out. Hands behind your back. Are you ready? First person to come back. I didn't say go. I didn't say go yet. Move back, move back, move back, move back. Move back, move back. Oh yeah, come back, come back. Can you move back for me, guys? Move back, move back. Are you A ball fell, excuse me. Are you ready? On your mark, get set, go. If the ball falls, you're out. The first person to come back without the ball dropping. Wow, wow, wow. You're in? Good job. Good job. Okay, okay, okay. You're in, you're still in, you're still in. Alright? Can I have the instructions? Thank you. I need another spot. DJ, small music on the background for me, just a little, not too loud, please. Who still needs something? Who still needs a ball? Are you ready? Are you guys ready? This is the last round. Are you guys ready? You want to play? Yeah, there's a spoon. Please, if you still want to play, there's a spoon on the table. Hold on, we're still waiting for some people joining us. Alright. Are you guys ready? Sorry, hold on guys. We have people still coming to play with us. Okay. Are you ready? If the ball drops, just remove yourself. You're out. Are you marked? The audience, help me out too. Be watching them. Stay in position. Alright, are you ready? Are you marked? Get set, go. Don't drop it. If you drop it, you are out. Who will be, as you come back up, if your ball drop, don't cheat, you are out. Keep going back and you will go. Keep going up, you cannot drop the ball. If you drop the ball, you are out. I want to see who's going to be the winner. The best person that holds the egg is the winner. Keep going, I see they're doing well.
Come back to your house. Go back. Follow them.
Keep going.
Come on, it's your job. Let's go.
I want to see you keep going. Wow, we still have 5 seconds. Keep going until somebody gets out. We got 5 gift cards. I have gifts for the place. I have gifts. Wow, seems like all of these 5 will be the winner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're gonna do 2 more rounds. 2 more rounds. If you're jumping, you're out. 2 more rounds. Oh, you're out. You are out. Can I have my ball, please? Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, they are doing well. They are doing well. I think we have our winners for this round. I think we have the winners. I'm gonna add a challenge to it. Hands behind your back, though. Hands behind your back. Wow. And you do one leg up. 1 leg up and go. Up, 1 leg and up. You dropped it. Oh yeah. Okay. If you drop, you out. This one is fair. Oh, a ball drops. You are out. Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you. We have only 5 remaining. Okay. Wow. Oh, I like that. Actually, I like a challenge. We remain 4. Wow. If I said this 4 will win. Auntie, you're not even hoping. Alright, let's give them all a gift. DJ. Guests for being here, and you take the floor.
Hello everyone. I'm not really one for too much talk, but thank you guys for coming. I mean, what we do here, right? Can you stop laughing? Okay, so no matter what we do here,
let me drop my
food. The important thing is when you have people around you who cares about you, who shows you love, and who counts up for you whenever you call on them. So I want to thank everybody for coming out to honor my family today, for celebrating my son, and for showing up. Appreciate every single one of you. And I pray that how we say today that you can be right on my power. So thank you so much for coming. Appreciate everyone. As always, whenever it's, our party, we always, eat, drink, party, marry, dance, and have fun. So I'm here for you anytime. Good day.
Thank you.
Honored to be here at this event. The music continues, food continues. There's a lot of food left, guys. Help yourself. Eat till you can't eat again. Please, there's enough drinks to go around as well. Alright, once again, God bless you. The party is not over, but get home safe. Alright, that is a wrap. DJ, take over.
DJ Blazo.
dancing like the killer for my food. They won't touch my thing till you day over for me. I want that go back. So break it. It's how we should dance till you go think. Even your commando and your go sing. But she really don't very much to shame me. I need to do one song. I got it, you know one cup. I'm on your side, what you to go come. I just come, Mr. Money, Laura. I'm my love, if you get short, I'm for you, for me. Yeah, you need to know. You are put up in my popo, gets it, I know. I need my way, look, if I should be and this is before I do.
Yeah.